showed you how to create inside of Veed.io a template for all of your short form video content so that you can become really fast and efficient at generating it for yourself. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take that Loom video and turn it into a finished piece of content. So now I have two pieces of content. I have the original Loom video itself, which has its own properties that are super effective for engaging. But what I also want to do here is I want to create a finished piece of content and show you just how easy it is to do inside of Veed. So I just downloaded this from Loom. It looks like I downloaded it twice. So I'm going to drop it in here, give that a second to upload. I'll be right back. All right, the video is uploaded. The reason that I chose the 1x1 square is because this is shot on a desktop. So I want to be able to share it on social and still have it look somewhat original in its intent here. So let me just drag that over a little bit more. We'll get more of that in frame. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click clean, eye contact, remove silences. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bunch of little cuts because this is a little bit longer than the remove silences feature is designed to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a few short clips. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, click on that, click on remove silences. And you see there, it just created this gap. So that just took a bunch of silences out. So I'm going to do that again. Here, you can see a new gap opened up, took more silences out.